Hello and welcome back to Income Strategies, the place where you learn the skills to make money, multiply your money, and know how to manage your money. All right, today we're looking at doing another episode of spot trading. And what do we have here today? TROY USDT. Okay, let's go check, the charts. Um, mm, the charts is looking funny. This is 15 minutes. Let's check the 1 day. Well, look like it's generally falling, but let's check the 1 hour. Let's see what's going. Wow, it's just like it's in a sideways move, but at least we can see that the parabolic stars has started. So somehow we could do this. Let's go ahead and see what this will give us. Okay, let's go ahead and see. So right now, what do we have? We have 0.004554. Okay, so we're going to go down. We'll try and see if we can go down by 30 and then go back up by 60. And let's hope that this will work and how long this will take us to do and see. But let's first of all start by even, simulating first. Okay, so we are going to be simulating at $20. So let's see how this goes. I'm going to go down by 30. That should be 24. All right. And then I'm going to put in, okay, so what we have here, 4,420. Okay, let's see what this gives us. And then let's sell. And that was 4,525. Okay, let's put 25 plus 60. That should be 85 or 84. Let's see how much this will give us. We're just checking to see, okay, we'll make 26 cents, which is more than 1%. That's like 1 point, what would you call that? That should be like 1.1 or 1.2%. Let's just do this because we want to get in and get out, okay? So let's go ahead and try this. Let's do this quickly, okay? So let's go ahead and try to put in our, our sell limit. We're going to go down by 30. Let's hope that this will work. So let's go down by 30. Let's see the current price. This is 5.1. So 4,551. So I'm going to make it 21. All right. And then I'm going to put everything here. And then I'm going to place my buy limit. And let's hope this works quickly. Go ahead. 1 to go. That's my screenshot. And then I'm going to put that there. So we're currently in the queue. Let's see how long this will take. And then I'll be back to give you the results. See you shortly. Okay, I'm back and it has already bought. So right now, what do we have? Wow, it's already going low. So let's see what's happening in the charts. Wow. Okay, it's going lower, but we still gotta sell. So let's go back and add something conservative, okay? Let me check the 15-minute chart and let's see. Wow, it's actually looking like it wants to go up. Oh, it was struggling. I can see that the parabolic stars is going up, but now it just deeped unnecessarily. But anyway, let's go ahead and let's put something quite, conservative, okay? And let's see what we will do. So currently we're at 4,466, okay? So, but what we want to do, it was 4,521. If you remember, let's go back to the trade history. We actually bought it at 0.004521. So let's just add 50. Okay, so let's just add 50. That will be 0.004571. Okay, let's go check that out. All right, let's go back and see what that will give us. So wow, it's actually going down. But nevertheless, this is spot trading, so we're going to wait. So 4,571. And if I put, how much was, okay, if I put everything here, well, that will be less. What we wanted was 60. So let's go back and make that 8.1. Okay, let's make it 8.1 and let's see. Okay, it's going to give us 20.23. Let's go ahead. Should we make this 8.5? Let's see. Okay, let me take this back. Let's take it back and then let's see. 8.5. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to put it at 4,585. Okay, at least we'll get over 1%, which is fine. Okay, imagine you had $200, at least you will make $2. Okay, so that's $2 plus, really. So let's go ahead and place this trade and see how this goes. All right, I'll do my screenshots and then I place the trade. 1 to go. All right, it's in the queue. I'll be back with the results. Let's hope it does quickly. See you shortly. I'm back after almost 48 hours. Yeah, that's it. This has been going, it went down. It went down for like 2 days, almost 2 days now. Yeah, take a look at this. This was where, yeah, this is where we came in to the trade around this point here. And it went down, it went down. It got to a point we were almost about, in fact, what am I saying? Like $2 loss. And then it started shooting up right now. As you can see right now, see where we are. See where we are. We are currently at 0.04444. Oh my gosh, it's in the fours. Interesting. Interesting. So we've been on this trade for almost 48 hours. Yeah. So just in case I want to sell now, what would it be? What would it be? We would still be in loss. 4418. 4418. Oh, would be in loss of 62 cents. And this is better than losing $2. So I'm still checking it. I'm still governing it. If by the time it gets to the place where what's it called now? Where we bought, I might just come and sell back. But let's see. I mean, these are the risks of spot trading, right? You try to analyze it and try to do your best. But one thing that I saw that was my slight, what I should have taken note of was that it was no longer on the gainers list. At the time I did that trade, it was no longer on the gainers list. That was my little mistake. But I just felt it would just spring back up, right? It had gone out of the gainers list. It was on the losers list. Okay, right now it's left the losers list. Okay, that gives us some joy. Okay, so it's not yet on the gainers list anyway. Oh, it's back on the gainers list. Hallelujah. It's back on the gainers list. Wow, that's good. At least that gives me some comfort. I hope this won't be too long before we call it a day on this trade. But anyways, we're still watching. It's not yet time to sell back. I'll let you know as it goes. See you soon. Okay, so I'm back. Let's take a look at, this is the 4-hour chart. And as you can see, it's been a roller coaster. Let me go back to 1-hour chart so that you can see what has happened in a couple of hours. Actually, in the past few hours, it skyrocketed. It went all the way to 0.004518. And as we speak right now, it went down and it's going up. So at this point, I really don't know what to say about this, okay? The first mistake or the first thing that I should have taken into consideration before going into this trade at all was to make sure that the list is on the gainers list from the onset. Because now we can see that even though it was actually on the gainers list prior to now, okay, it left the gainers list, went to the losers list, then it left the losers list, went to the gainers list. Is it on the gainers list? It's not even on the gainers list anymore. It's not on the gainers list anymore right now as we speak. It was on the gainers list earlier, but now it's no longer there. So it's been, that decision was not taken properly. I think so. That probably I should have started with making sure that it was on the gainers list. So right now, we're just keeping our fingers crossed. It looks like it's definitely going to have a bull run. Checking right now the parabolic stars on the 1-hour chart, you can see it's facing downwards, which is not a good thing that I like to see. But on the 4-hour chart, I can see that the parabolic stars has just started and it's actually having a green candle starting. So let's be patient. Let's try and check in another 4 hours and see whether this actually was a good prediction, whether it actually would have a bull run later on. Let's just wait and see. Anyways, I'll be back to tell you more about the results. See you soon. Wow, 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 wow. This is not funny. We've been on this for 4 days. I can't believe it. Wow. This is not nice at all, right? We've been on this for 4 days. And, I was just thinking I should have actually I should have just placed my sell limits in a way that I could just sell back. Because right now, I'm seeing that it actually hit 4532. And we actually bought at 45. I think that should be 4521 or something. Let's go check it. I'm just thinking I should just sell off and just get out of this trade. I should just sell off and get out of this trade. Okay, we can even just check that here. No, that's not what we want to check. Yeah, we actually bought it at, no, that's not where we're going to check that. Let me go back to where, the order history. Maybe that would help us to know. No, that's not it. Okay, so here we are. As you can see, we bought it at, we bought it at 4521. So I'm just going to go back and just change this order. I'm just going to change this order. Yeah, so let's go back and let's check it one more time. Let's see what's going on in the charts. Wow. What do you think I should do? Should I cash out, or should I just place it on, a comfortable amount that just gives me my money back? I think I'll just place it at this amount. Wow, I'm just thinking. I mean, it took us 4 days. So what do I do? What do I do? It got to my actual buy point, and then it went beyond the bid. So I'm thinking, let me just go back and change this. I'm going to change this to 0.005, 0.045, 30. Let's just try that out, right? Let's go ahead and try this out. Let's go ahead and try this out. So let's go ahead and click on the edit, and then all we just have to do is change this and bring this lower. So let's bring it to, let's see what 3.5 is. Okay, let's see what 3.5 is. Then so we're just going to reconfirm that. Let's see what's going on. Is it going up? Wow, it's going down now. I'm really tempted. I am really tempted to just get out of this trade. I'm really tempted. It rose up to 11.8 now. It's now on the gainers list. It's now on the gainers list. I'm telling you, it's on the gainers list. So I'm thinking, maybe I should give it a try. Maybe it will give the bull run effect again and just go all the way up. Let's wait and see. Well, I'm just checking this right now, and I'm like so surprised. If I was here, I would have cashed out immediately. Okay, so what will we really get? Let's see what we'll get. So we put it at 4535. So what would we get? We will get let's put it there, 4545, then 35. Let's put that will be 4481, 4418. We'll just get a little bit over $20. Well, at least I get my money back, right? That's the most important thing. But you know how it will be painful? It will be painful if it runs along and it goes to 4565 or 4570. But now at this point, I'm just comfortable with getting my money back. Yeah, let me out of here. I'm sure you're wondering what's wrong with me. I just want to get out of here. For 4 days, I've been in this spot trading. This is the longest spot trading event I have ever been in. Yes, my longest spot trading event. Anyways, let's go ahead and see how this goes, and I'll give you the results. So it looks like there's a pump. As I can see, it looks like there's a pump going on somewhere. So what I want to do is just to cancel this and just wait and see what will happen. So let's just wait and see, right? Let's just watch it and see whether something is going to happen. I'm just interested in knowing what's going to happen right now. So I'm just waiting to see will it go beyond that? If it goes beyond that, I'm just going to sell right away. Oh my gosh, I'm just checking it. This is like you're watching a football match, It's trying to get to the goal post. Yes, it's just about going. Let's wait and see. Let's see how long it's going to take before it gets there. Can you just see it? Oh my gosh, it's about running. It's about running. Do I sound like a commentator? Oh my gosh. I'm just waiting. Come on, go there and hit that goal post. Yeah, push it. Anyways, let me just spare you all of that, my commentativeness, right? And I'll let you know whatever happens. I'll keep you posted. See you shortly. So it looks like it's safer to watch from in here, because once I see it move and it gets to a high point, all I just have to do is just keep on pressing. You can see it's at 19.78 right now. Once it goes beyond the bar, I'm just going to hit that. I just keep on tapping that. I'll just keep on tapping that and keep on pressing 100% until I just love this. This is interesting. I mean, this is like you're watching a football match, you know? Oh, yes, it's at 0045 right now. Yes, it's at 0045. Yeah, I'm just waiting for it to just give me what I'm looking for, and I'm selling. But it seems like, oh my gosh, what's happening? No, don't tell me that it's going back. No, 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 no. Don't tell me it's going back. Oh, yes, it's currently on 0.045. Wow, this is interesting. Let's hope that this makes it to 0.045, maybe 3 or 4 or something. Let's see. Oh, yes, it's going past it. Wow. Okay, let me save you. Let me save you most of my commentation or my commentativeness. And let me see that this works. Okay, see you shortly. So it looks like I'm going to press sell now. Yeah, I think I did it. I think I made it. Oh my gosh, did I? Did I? Oh, yes, I did. Yeah, let's see. Let's go and check into trade history. Was I able to make that happen? Was I able to make that happen? Let's go and check. Yes. Oh my God, I only just crossed the finish line. Oh my gosh, I was able to make 20.1. That's $20.10. Phew. Finally. Oh my gosh. Now, we can go back there and find out that the pump went up high. But you see, the truth of the matter is here. I just wanted to get this done over with, right? I've been on this for 4 days, 4 massive days. And I'm like, did I wait 4 days to just make 10 cents? No, no, this is not what I wanted. But I mean, you can see it from my own perspective, right? You've been on a trade for 4 days. And let's take a good look at what happened. So let's analyze this together, right? This trade, I took it 4 days ago, right? And honestly, I was thinking this was going to be like max 30 minutes, okay? Because, I mean, Troy was on the gainers list prior to that time, right? It was on the gainers list. Okay, right now it's on the top. You can see right now it's pumped up plus 20%. And it's currently 45 what? 4549. Yeah. And it's currently, what's that? 21.56%, and it's even 4561. I mean, we could have made this, but you see, the truth of the matter is that we do not know what will happen. Okay, look at it, it's pumping. I mean, I could have made more money. See, it's 4573. I could have hit it. I could have hit this at 4585, right? But you see, I'm just comfortable and happy with the fact that I made back my money. Let me tell you, I was deep in loss up to $17. That means that there was a $3 loss because it kept on going down over the past 3-4 days. It kept on going down. Now, what happened? Where did I miss this, right? It was initially on the gainers list, and then by the time I came to take the trade, which was probably, I saw it the day before that it was on the gainers list, and I was like, wow, this is a potential profitable trade to take, a profitable spot trading trade to take. And then by the time I got there, I saw that it had moved from being on the gainers list. I didn't even see it. So, but I was still thinking it would. But by the time I took the trade, I'm telling you, almost immediately, almost like probably 10 minutes afterwards, it just went on a downturn. Yes, it went on a huge downturn, and we have been on this mountain for 4 days. Now, I don't know what happened. I don't know what caused the pump. I don't know who it is that bought this thing and made it spike up. I don't know. But God bless you, whoever it is, because at least I was able to get my money back. Now, if you look at this, this is actually the 1 hour chart. You can see it was just all red, going down, going down. See where it came to, the lowest point it came to. See the lowest point. It came to 0.003675. At that point, I was actually in the $3 loss in that $20 trade. And I was already thinking that, wow, how can I be on this trade for 4 days? I was thinking of cashing out. I'm being serious. But I just felt, leave it, give it some time. Okay, another one day. Probably after the fifth day, whatever is left, I'm just going to take it and move. And I don't even know what I was thinking. I was just checking something and I just came here. I was trying to check something on the gainers list and I just say, boom, I just saw Troy on the gainers list. I just came here immediately and that's when the whole drama started, right? So now we both have seen it. So well, I would say, I think what I could have done better was to make sure it was fully still on the gainers list. Yes. Like, of course, when I went back and I didn't see it on the gainers list, I was thinking, okay, it would definitely be okay. I mean, if it was initially on the gainers list, it would get back on it. But that was actually where I think I missed it. And next time I definitely won't do this, right? For every trade I take, I always learn. Okay? Sometimes we win, sometimes we learn. Now, what were we planning to make from this trade? We were supposed to make 20.25, like about a little bit above 1%, probably like 1.2% profit potential. But we eventually getting something like halfway of that. Now, did we have a profitable trade? Yes, we did. Although you will look at that, there's what we call the opportunity cost of time. Yes, a trade that should have taken 15 minutes or probably 30 minutes if all the parameters were right and if all the rules were followed, you know, it definitely took us like 4 days, like I told you, because one little thing was left unchecked. One little part of the box was not checked, which was ensuring that it was on the gainers list or it was on the new listings list. And that's very, very important. So am I happy with this trade? I mean, it eventually got there, but the truth of the matter is that you don't own the platform. You don't own the market. You cannot tell. When you're in it, it's a probability game. It could still go to even 4-6. I mean, we've seen this go to 6 too, yeah. But the truth of the matter is that it could get to a point, get stuck, and fall back down. Because you see what's happening here? Whenever you see a green candle like this, people are buying. So probably there was a promo about this, or maybe there was something, a promotion or something, maybe some money back just came in and said, oh, I'm going to buy a lot of Troy and made this pump up, right? And that's what happened. And that's what, look, can you see how huge these candles are? They're not normal candles. You can see these are like normal candles, okay? This part here. These are not really normal candles because of the way they just pumped up very, very fast. And it's possible that this can, continue for the next 1 or 2 days and then drop again. So there are some coins like that. They pump up so fast and then they drop because some money bag, some big person with deep pockets have come here to buy a whole lot of Troy. And then when it pumps up, they come here and then they sell. And before you know it, it's flat. That's it. So what did we plan to get? We were planning to get like a 25 cents profit, which was supposed to be probably like 1.2% or there at 1.25%, something in that range, right? But it didn't work out like that. We were able to get like about 10 cents, which for me, I'm happy. I mean, like I said, I was actually, if I was going to cash out in that loss, I would have lost $3. So imagine me, I'm actually celebrating that I actually made 10 cents and I didn't lose $3. So that's the comparative analysis, right? Because I don't own the market and I don't know what's going to happen the next minute. Even if you get a good signal like we do, okay? The truth of the matter is that you cannot tell what's going to happen the next minute. That's the truth. So when you're able to get a profit, you can see what I did was that I canceled it because if it hit that 0.004535, I would get less. So I actually got more than what I was intending to get. Don't forget we have goalpost A, which was supposed to be 25 cents. Then we have goalpost B, which was like, oh, let me just get my money, $20.03. Okay. Then we have the goalpost B, which was like, oh, let's see how this happens. And because you could see the pump, I knew that, oh, once it goes past that particular price, I could sell off and I'll be able to get a good profit. And that's what exactly happened. Though it wasn't my goalpost one, which was 25 cents, but I was still able to make a better deal than the 3 cents. I hope we all understand. I hope we've learned something here, right? That please never be greedy. Like you can see, I'm right on this. I'm just showing you what's going on the chart. You can see it's going down. People have started selling. That's what's happening. And before you know it, it goes to the red. Yeah. So please and please and please Learn from this, please. Don't go in this long marathon trade. This long marathon trade that I've been in for 4 days. Please don't try it. Thank God it eventually ended up in praise. Thank God it made me laugh, okay? And I wasn't like, oh, this trade ended up in loss. No, it didn't. It ended up in profit, but it took a long time, right? So I hope you've learned something. If you've learned something, please let me know what your thoughts are. Drop a comment, in the chat. Let me know what you think about this trade. Would you rather stay on, or should I have rather just quit like about 2 days ago and lost like about $2? Which one do you think I should have done? I think I've chosen the best route. I made profits eventually at the end, and we're all happy. So all that happens well ends well. We thank God for that, right? So, I told you, can you see what's going? It's going down. It's going down. It's now at 4431. If I cashed out here, I would have lost about $1.50, which is not really nice, okay? So please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Come on, smash that subscribe button. Give us a like. Let's know what you're thinking. And if you really want to learn more, you want to get the signals, you want to know which particular coin you should use for triangular arbitrage or rectangular arbitrage or whatever kind of arbitrage, you can just hit us up. There's a link in the chat, in the description below, and we'll be chatting. God bless you, and I'll see you on the next video. Have a great day. Bye.